You've got a killer app idea. Maybe it's been brewing in your mind for months, or maybe it just hit you in the middle of the night. You can already picture people using your app, solving real problems, and maybe even changing the world, or at least your industry. But then comes the big question. How much will it actually cost to build? Is it something you can bootstrap, or will you need to raise serious funds? The answer isn't as simple as you might hope. Search online, and you'll see prices ranging from a few $1,000s to the cost of a luxury car, or even more. Why is there such a huge range? What's behind those numbers? Think of app development like buying a car. You could get a basic sedan that gets you from point A to B, or you could go for a custom-built supercar with all the bells and whistles. Both are technically cars, but the price difference is massive, and for good reason. The real cost of your app depends on what you want it to do, how complex the features are, how you choose to build it, and, just as importantly, who you hire to bring your vision to life. Every decision you make along the way can shift the price up or down. There's no secret fixed price tag for app development. Instead, there's a set of factors like design, technology stack, integrations, and ongoing support that all play a role in driving the cost higher or lower. When you understand these factors, you can make smarter choices, prioritize the features that matter most, and avoid those nasty budget surprises that can derail your project. In this video, we'll break down what full-stack development really means, reveal the key elements that affect app pricing, and show you how to spot and avoid hidden costs that can sneak up on you. So, if you're ready to get clarity on what it really takes to turn your app idea into reality, let's dive in and help you move forward with confidence. Before we talk numbers, let's decode what full-stack development really means in the world of app creation. It's a term you'll hear a lot, but understanding it is crucial before you start budgeting or hiring. Imagine building an app is like running a restaurant. The front end is the dining room. This is what your users see, touch, and interact with. It's the ambience, the menu, the service, everything that shapes the customer's first impression. But behind every great dining experience is a kitchen, the back end. This is where the real magic happens, where orders are processed, data is managed, and everything works seamlessly behind the scenes to deliver what the customer expects. Full-stack developers are like master restaurateurs. They design the dining room, plan the menu, and cook the meals. They're skilled in both the art of presentation and the science of execution. This means they build the user interface, the part you and your customers interact with, and the powerful engine that makes it all work, ensuring everything runs smoothly from start to finish. When you pay for full-stack development, you're not just getting a pretty app or a robust system. You're getting the whole package, from the welcoming entrance to the heart of the kitchen. Both the front end and back end come with their own unique costs, challenges, and expertise. But to create a truly successful app, you need both working in harmony. Think about it. Without a well-run kitchen, the dining room can't serve great food. And without an inviting dining room, no one will want to come in, no matter how good the kitchen is. That's why understanding full-stack development is absolutely key when you're planning and budgeting for your app. It ensures you're prepared for every part of the journey, from concept to launch. 4 main levers control your app's price. First, complexity. More features, like chat, payments, or maps, mean more time and money. Second, technology stack. Cross-platform tools like React Native can save money, while separate native apps cost more. Third, developer expertise and location. Senior US-based teams charge more than junior or offshore teams. Fourth, timeline. Need it fast? You'll pay a premium for a rushed job. Plan ahead and choose wisely to keep your budget in check. So what's a realistic price? For a mid-level app in 2025, expect $25,000 to $80,000. Here's where the money goes. 10 to 15% for design, 25 to 35% for front-end, and 40 to 50% for back-end development. But building the app is just the start. Maintenance, updates, bug fixes, security costs about 15 to 20% of your initial budget every year. Add server hosting, third-party services, and app store fees. As your app grows, so do these costs. Don't forget, ongoing expenses are part of owning an app. Plan for them from day one. Looking at the numbers can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to launch something new on a tight budget. But don't let those figures scare you. There are smart ways to build more with less, and it all starts with a strategic approach. Begin by focusing on a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is the most basic version of your app that still solves your user's main problem. By stripping away the extras and zeroing in on the core functionality, you can get your idea to market faster and with fewer resources. Take advantage of open source tools and frameworks. These resources are often free and well supported by the community, which means you can save a significant amount on licensing fees and development time while still building something robust. Careful planning is key. Map out your project in detail before you start. Create a clear scope, draw wireframes, and outline every feature. This upfront work helps you avoid unexpected costs and keeps your project on track. Be vigilant about scope creep. It's tempting to add new features as you go, but every addition can stretch your timeline and inflate your budget. Stick to your original plan to keep things manageable. Always keep your users at the center of your decisions. Test your MVP with real users, gather feedback, and focus on refining what truly matters to them. This ensures you're building something people actually want. Once you have a solid plan and a clear vision, consult with a few experienced professionals. Getting real-world estimates and advice can help you avoid costly mistakes and set realistic expectations for your launch. By following these steps, you can turn your idea into a successful app without overspending or losing control of your project. Smart planning and focused execution are the keys to building more with less.